how to change the Ubisoft phone number without a phone number. I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Ubisoft phone number without a phone number. First, go to your browser and search for Ubisoft. Next, click the first link to visit the official website. Here, make sure to log in and click the profile icon in the top right corner. Now select the Account Management option. You will be redirected to your Account Information tab and click the Edit button. You can now add a new phone number. To do this, you need the virtual phone number, so search for online numbers. You will find various websites which offer different online numbers. Then, go to the online SIM website. Add the location and copy the number. After that, enter the correct country code and the phone number on the Ubisoft website. Finally, click Add to save the changes, and that's it.